Welcome to my channel once again. Here in this video is how to make money on opay app. So all you need to do is to watch this video to the end. It's going to be nice, and if it is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more video. So you click your opay app. I am going to log in now. So it is open. First of all, what is opay? opay is a service customer, just like your bank account. So there are 4 ways of making money on opay. So let's proceed in the process. Step 1, if you sign up through my link, they will give you 1,200. And step 2, you see this reward here. If you click that reward now, if you sign in every day, they will give you your daily bonus. And you can see that I have 12 cashback. A cashback for those that recharge airtime and data recharge. I have 12% of cashback, and this, you can see that I have 2 new voucher for those that play sporty bet. And step 3, that if you click on this airtime now, you may recharge airtime 1,000. If you recharge that 1,000, you get 30 naira added to your cash back. Then step 4, you see this invite friend here. If you invite one friend, you get 4,200 as your referral bonus. So that is how you can make money on opay app. If you find this video interested, consider subscribing for more video. Thank you for watching.